Just gonna play a few songs from a new dubstep channel I found on YouTube. Mr. Smelly Monkey. Downloaded all his songs. He's got them on file share. There's about 11 in total. It's quite early in the morning as well. It will focus. It's all frosty outside.